In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix high ping in Fortnite Chapter 7. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, as you can see, I'm on 255 ping with a yellow down arrow, which is obviously very high. As you can see, I'm lagging a bit, but there's a few simple things that you want to go ahead and do to go ahead and fix any ping issues you're having or any high packet loss. So the first thing I want you to go ahead and do is, whether you're in a game or out of a game, go ahead and check your region that you're playing on. So go to settings like so, go over to the fourth tab and then go to matchmaking region. And if I'm on Oceania right now, and basically the MS, basically it means the higher it is, the worse your connection is going to be. So you want to switch to whichever one is the lowest. For my instance, it's Europe, which is on 5. And I just want to press apply at the bottom. You can also have it on auto, which is usually meant to find the best one for you, but I like to force it and go over to Europe myself. Now, the next thing I want you to do is make sure you're not downloading anything in the background or anything like that. And the third thing you can do is go ahead and use an Ethernet connection. Basically, that means a hard wire from your router to inside your PC or console, wherever you might be using. And if you're not able to, for example, if you're in like your bedroom or something and your router is all the way down in like your living room, what you could do is go ahead and get a power line adapter. Some of them come very cheap as well, and a lot of the times they're on offer like so. But there's different power line adapters where you can basically get one end. You're going to get like a bundle where it's going to be two things, right? You plug one near your router, you put one Ethernet into this and then one into your router. Then all the way in your other room, wherever it may be, you plug this in for where your console or PC is. So you plug one into here, like one Ethernet into here, and the other end of it you plug into your console or PC. It's the closest way you're going to get an Ethernet connection without using an actual full-on Ethernet connection. And then basically whenever you do that and you go over to Fortnite and you play again, your ping and is going to be a lot more stable. You're not going to get packet loss like I am right now, and then you'll be good to go. But yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.